Real quick, I just want to show you a project anyone can make and sell. So let's get started. So I'll just be using some scrap wood. You can make this as big as you want, but I'm running out of wood, so this is all I have. So you'll need a piece of pine wood like this. I'll leave a link for this in the description. You can buy a big piece of it for really cheap, and you'll need a piece of scrap wood like this. And that's all you'll need to build it. There's multiple different ways you can cut out the piece. You can use a jigsaw, or you can use a bandsaw, or if you don't have those, you can get thinner wood that isn't as thick and just use a handsaw to cut it out. But I'll be using the bandsaw. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a square on this. It's going to be about 5 by 5 inches. Okay, so I drawn the square. This square is 5 by 6 inches, and then I just drew a handle right here. And these measurements do not have to be exact. You can make this as big or small as you want it to be. And you can draw the handle however you want it. I also drew some curves on here, so make sure to cut those out too. Now I got the piece cut out. This is what it looks like so far. Now take your other piece of scrap wood and you'll need to cut 2 4-inch pieces from this. And this cut right here will be at a 35-degree angle. And these 2 cuts are straight. So just 2 4-inch pieces with a 35-degree angle right here. Also, if you don't have a miter saw, you can use a jigsaw too, or a handsaw. But this is the easiest way to cut it. So this is the first piece. Now do the second piece. The second piece is the one with the 35-degree angle. So now I have 2 4-inch pieces, one with just straight cuts, and then one with the 35-degree angle. And now go ahead and sand down all your pieces. Alright, so I got the piece all sanded down. Now I'm going to show you what to do now. Also, if you're liking this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll grab some tape and put it around this piece right here. So now only stain the top piece right here. The bottom piece will not be stained, only the piece above the tape. And also stain the 4-inch pieces you cut out earlier. This is almost done now. I'm just going to let it dry, but there's still one more thing to do before it's done. I'll show you what these wood pieces do as soon as they're done drying. And if you're selling this, you can offer in different sizes and stain colors. You can also offer to write the person's name on it. There's all kinds of different things you can do with this to customize it if you're planning on selling it. And these are super cheap to make. They only cost about $2 to $4 depending on what size you build it. And you can offer all kinds of different customizations to it. So you can easily sell this for like $20 or $25. And your profit, it's like 80% profit. So it should be just about done drying by now. So I'm going to show you what you do next. So now take this piece and glue it onto here. And I know my workshop is a mess. And now take this piece and glue it onto the back. Alright, so it's done now, and now I'm going to show you what it does. So that's it for this video. If you liked it and you want to see more projects like this, simple projects, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Anyone can build these projects. They're really easy, and you can also sell them if you want to.